Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Hey, you're crooked. See if we can't fix that. So, anyways, yes, I got new glasses. The metal frame in the heat was burning me, causing right on my nose, on the other side, red marks, hurt. So, I wanted something different. I went with the line glasses because I get more vision this way on each one. I can actually see. The other ones suck. I also got some for work, safety glass. And they don't get dark or nothing, they just for, working in the building. But anyways, we got rafter ties we're going to be putting on the 2x6. So I did to 2 of them. I cut the little ears off because they're going to be right on the edge. Now this one I was able to retain the hole. The other side, what can you do? So cut one side, it's going to go on the right. I already cut the other one off. It's going to go on that side. So I got 6 of these I got to install. So I hope you like what I do because I've been wanting a back porch. Well, actually, I've been wanting to rebuild my back porch since 2023. 3 years. 3 years I haven't been able to go out my back door because of the damage that the house incurred. But anyway, so we're going to be using my 20-volt Craftsman impact. And we're going to be using these waffle head construction screws. Exterior grade. These screws I've never used before, but they're flat. So when I'm putting stuff on, I won't have to worry about the wood sticking away. But anyways, I think we got just about everything laid out. So anyways, if you like what I do, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends. Because when you're as old as I am, doing these projects, especially when it's wet and dreary, it just makes it so depressing to do. And when you live alone, you have no help. The only help I got is of my equipment. So let's get started. Okay, like I say, I put these and I made a mark. It came with a T20 Torx. The screws we're using is 1.5 inches. So let's get these things where I want them. Pretty good. Like I say, I never used these screws before, and I tell you, these types of screws are highly expensive. Very expensive. But I'd rather spend a little more and have a little bit better protection. Alright, that's one. So I got all these all the way down the line. And now we're just going to put one in here. And now we're going to stand this thing up. So I want to show you something. Now let's see. You see this cutout? These are meant to be basically offset, and you can put these on a ridge and you can hang the rafters in here and you can adjust the angle of the 2x4. And that makes a very strong rafter tie. Okay. That is perfect. See how flat it is on the top and on the sides? Yeah, I know it's really the wrong color, but that's okay. These are heavy duty. These are meant to use with the Simpson strong ties because one, they go right through the hole. Some of them I've seen, you have to drill the holes out. Well, you know, there's a lot of holes. Now, I want you to look at something here. You see something different? See how the holes are offset? That's there for a reason. That's why, so when you drive the screw in, they don't touch. A lot of them I've seen don't have that. So that's an awesome thing. Okay. Shoot. Trying to drill a hole through this and it got away from me. Now, we needed to be 1 foot to the outer edge in because I want this to have a foot. Wait a minute, let me think about that. No, got that wrong. It's got to be 6 inches. I don't know what I was thinking. It's got to be 6 inches. If it's going to be a foot. Well, I'm glad I thought a little bit closer. It's got 6 inches right here. Because we're going to have a 9-foot deck. This is 10 foot. 6 inches on this side and 6 inches on that side. So let me get this fastened in with the screws. Okay. Lift up. I'll just wait to put these screws in. These are quite old. I know they look a little crusty up here, but I think they'll be alright. Because we're only going to be putting 1 loop up at a time. That's it for that. It is quite humid out here. 6 inches from here to here. From here down to here would be 9 feet. 6 inches from here to the end. Screw it in. That's not going anywhere. That hole is there because eventually when we go to permanently put this on top of the post, there's a big ass lag, very expensive one that's going to go all the way through this into the post. So that's all we're going to do in this video. I am wet, and I've only been out here not even a half hour. I'm soaking wet, but this is taking building for me to the next level because I don't ever want to have to take this apart again. I never want to take this apart again. It's like when I was doing the roof. I never want to do this roof again. I would just soon tear it down and build a new building. But anyways, that's it, and I'll see you next time.